Welcome! However you found your way to this group, I am so stoked you are here. My name is Leanne Price and I'm a body transformation coach. I have enjoyed a successful 11-year career helping people lose weight and get into the best shape of their lives. This tribe, this movement is made up of busy working professionals who are tired of being lied to by the fitness industry and are ready to cut the noise. So what does that mean? Well, right now, 80% of people in the US who lose weight end up gaining it all back within 2 years. This is heartbreaking and it needs to stop. The unsustainable dieting, the exercise techniques that don't work, the ineffective supplements, we need to cut the noise on all of these. Today's busy professionals want to have a rockin' body and a rockin' life, and we accomplish this by way of sustainable, long-term practices, real comprehensive game planning and accountability so that they can lose weight, get fit, and then stay there for life. So with that said, thank you for being a part of this movement. Our movement is going to be one that stops the unhealthy trends in their tracks. And the coolest part is that the only way for us to do this is for us to get fit and stay fit. Isn't that nuts? Get super fit and healthy, look and feel superhuman, and in turn, you will help change the world. You help everyone by helping yourself. By being an example of the right way to live a healthy life, you will inspire others to do the same. And then we, the 20% who lose the weight and don't gain it back, our numbers will start to grow. We're gonna flip that script. Our 20% will become 25%, and then 30% and 40% and so on. But back to you, busy working professional, and you may also be a busy parent and or a busy college student. But the point is, you give the majority of your waking hours to your family, your work, and your greater life mission. So in my book, you already are a superhuman. Now let's go make you look on the outside like the superhuman you already know you are on the inside. I am so excited for you. Woo woo! Let's do this!
Work, grind, fly.